guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you have been to my channel of lately, you would have seen I've been doing quite a few product reviews, and today I have something new, and that is Leopard Luggages and this beautiful tank bag by Leopard Luggages. So basically this is a tank bag which can be converted from a magnetic tank bag to a normal tank bag, because there is a zipper down below and you can remove the whole magnetic attachment system and it will become a normal tank bag. You have one pouch on this side, another pouch on this side. You also get this huge opening on the top, and if you can see, I have put in the waterproof cover inside. This is a complete waterproof cover. Leopard Luggages claim that the bag is water resistant, and with the cover it becomes completely waterproof. I've got some gloves, I've got some mounts inside, camera, GoPro box and all that. So it takes in quite a lot of stuff pretty comfortably, and even though I have not arranged anything, you can see the bag is just still not full. It's like quite a lot of it is empty, and there is a huge space that can be filled inside. You get a small transparent cover here to keep your mobile, and also a small port to put in your charging port, to put in your charging plug basically, so that you can charge your mobile on the go. The zippers are of good quality, and you also get a small pouch here. This is for basically your documents or maybe some candies or something like that. So that's that. The best part about this bag is inside this huge pouch, below everything, what you get is this strap, and you can use this strap to tie down your laptop, or say you have an expensive camera box or something which you don't want shaking. You can use that to tie down your expensive gadgets so that they don't move around. So let me quickly dismount the bag and show you what is what. This is the front of it, and if I turn it around, you can see these two straps, which are basically used to convert your bag into a backpack. So what you do is you just have to put these here on either ends. Just put this here on either ends, and you have a backpack ready. So that's a nifty little feature, and let me just put them back. So yes, now that everything is inside, this bag is also expandable, you can see, and you get quite a lot of extra storage space now. Also, you get a beautiful reflective strip here, which helps in added visibility. Their newer versions don't get this logo, as I'm told. They have changed the branding a bit. They have changed the way the bag is the logo is actually placed. On the sides as well, you get Leopard branding, which again is a reflective branding on both sides, and that helps you stand out in the night. So this is a decently priced bag which you can buy on their official website, or you can buy it on FLIPKART as well. So if you're worried about returns, or if you're worried about cash on delivery, you can purchase it anytime on FLIPKART. So go check out the bag, guys. So that's it for the review, guys. I hope you liked it. You can go check out the Leopard Luggages website, or you can check them out on FLIPKART, and they make some beautiful bags. And they also have a chest bag which I'll be reviewing in a few days, and that is up for a giveaway. So stay subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because the big giveaway is going to be announced on Instagram itself. So stay tuned to my Instagram for the announcement. So until next time, ride hard, ride safe, and always wear a helmet, always wear a mask. Bye bye.